This 2015 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3006 WK2 BDRM double slide, front bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 9, slideout, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, skylight, TV, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3006 WK2 BDRM double slide, front bunkhouse is 7,197 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.